This is a quick review of the Motorola Moto One 5G UW Ace in volcanic gray. If you want to know if this phone is the perfect phone for minimalistic use, then this phone is for you. This phone is definitely a great entry phone, beginner phone, or even a phone that you want to use every day without having to worry about banging it up, dinging it up, and you don't care so much for expanded technology features. It does have 5G. This is a great entry to 5G phones. Now, if you look at this phone, it's been through some use. This is without a case. There's some scuffing on the screen. The back panel of the shell seems to be all right. The ports have been doing okay after 4 or 5 years of use. The phone is not what you call a tech wizard. It doesn't have the best specs. It's 4 gigabytes of RAM, so it can be very slow. This phone has a lot of bloatware when you first get it, which is not great if you don't need all that stuff. And it can currently only go to Android 12 operating system software. It can't go to the most current version of Android, so keep that in mind. Now, this phone is easy to handle in the hands. It's very thin. It's not too wide. Very easy for one-handed use. If you need to use this to get around every day, but you don't care for the extra bells and whistles, this phone is for you from Motorola. And it does come with creature comforts like 4 cameras in the back. It has fingerprint sensor. It can watch your media pretty easily, at least the most standard definition, high definition. And the battery power is very good at 5,000 milliamps. So if you need something to last long that you can just beat around and throw around and just, not care too much in terms of taking a beating, then this phone is for you.